Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can import bookmarks and settings from any other web browser on the Brave browser. So let us get started. So launch the Brave browser, and what you want to do in the first step is click into these three lines in the very top and select settings from this menu. Here inside your settings, head over to get started in the top left, and here to get started you will see that feature import bookmarks and settings. So click into it. And after that, you will see that window popping up. So here, if you click into that arrow down icon, you will be given the opportunity to select a preferred web browser like Microsoft Edge, Opera, Chrome, and so on and so forth. So let me go with Opera, for example. Select it, select the items you would like to import, including the browsing history, your favorites and bookmarks, bookmarked in the given web browser, and so on and so forth, and confirm by clicking on import here. And there you go. As you can see, now the given bookmarks have been added to that list here, as you can see. And you may, for instance, enable that feature here, show bookmarks, or toggle it off. That's totally up to you guys. So that's how you import settings and bookmarks to Brave. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.